Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get flex wood in Lego Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process, but for this process you will be needing a blue rare quality forest axe because only then you'll be able to cut the flex wood. Now you can get the axe from the crafting table, but you will be needing few materials from the dry area over here or the desert area. Now getting flex wood is actually very easy. All you have to do is just simply come to this location and you'll find a lot of cactus. So all you have to do is get your axe and cut them out because these are the very plant that give you flex wood. As you can see right over here, they will give you flex wood. Now you will be needing few materials to craft the axe over here, and the materials will also be found in the dry area. So make sure to have some snow berries because you will be needing them, or else you will be very hot and you will lose your health. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.